everybody, this is Teacher Rena and welcome to my blog. Today I'm going to give you a tour on my way to Kauyunan Integrated School. So as you can see, this is where we are at the moment. So, napakalayo talaga ng Kauyunan, Barangay Kauyunan. Barangay Kauyunan is a barangay in Opon, Misamis Oriental, and it is located in the hinterland of the municipality. So actually, marami ka pong pagdadaan ng mga barangays. So yan na po ang dinadaanan. And ito po. So I am actually traveling through a transportation called Bao-Bao or Rela. People in Barangay Kauyunan have already accustomed to riding in a Rela. So mura lang po kung sasakay ka po mula Ugon, Cagayan de Oro City hanggang Kauyunan po. You will have to pay only 150 pesos. Traveling hour could at least last for more than 2 hours. Yeah, napakalayo po talaga. But what I love about traveling is that I get used to experiencing a lot of things. Like for example, breathing fresh air. And danger po kasi pollution. So, malalangap po talaga yung fresh air kapag ikaw ay nagta-travel. So, that's what I love the most about traveling to Barangay Kauyunan. And I also get used to pass a lot of barangays, beautiful barangays, actually. This place right here is exactly the same place that I've seen in Google Maps when I search for Barangay Kauyunan. This part is a place called Taglimaw. So you will have to pass the Ipunan River, the famous Ipunan River. To the King of Heaven, praise, for He rose, now He reigns. We will sing forever, and 1,000 hallelujahs. We magnify Your name. You alone deserve the glory, the honor and the praise. Lord Jesus, His song is forever yours. 1,000 hallelujahs and 1,000 more. This place right here is a place called Tuburan. So it isn't called Tuburan because you can see the famous Ipunan River. When rocks cry out to worship, whose glory taught the stars to shine. Perhaps creation loves to have the words to sing, but this joy is mine. When 1,000 hallelujahs we magnify Your name, You alone deserve
as resurrection means our rise. Who isn't time enough to sing of all you've done? That I have eternity.
This is Barangay Tumpagun. And if you distance from here, you will see Barangay Kauyunan. So actually, we're traveling right now to the said barangay. So this is the famous bridge to Kauyunan, to Barangay Kauyunan. So actually, the way is already wide. So maganda na siyang daanan. Nilalakbay na natin yung few distance to Kauyunan. So in a while, we will be reaching the place. So malapit na po tayo.
To the Lord, to the Lamb, to the King of heaven, praise. For he rose, and he reigns. We will sing for
Finally, thank God we're here. So nandito na po tayo sa Barangay Kauyunan, Bohol, Misamis Oriental.
to the King of heaven, praise. For he rose, now he reigns. We will sing forever.
Ito na po ang paaralan kung saan po ako na-assign sa kasalukuyan.